Hi, kindergarten. It's Miss B back with story time. I'm going to read for the next 2 days stories about moms to you for story time. Mercy Watson was a very short book, but I don't want to start another chapter book with only 2 days left in this week. So, this book I have picked is called Just Like Mama. And my girls love to call me Mama, so that's one thing that was kind of special about this story. Leslie Newman's our author. And once again, for those still having a little trouble with that, author is the person who wrote the story, came up with the idea for the story and wrote it. Your illustrator is Julie Gorton. And the illustrator is the one who does all the wonderful pictures in the stories. That's what illustration means, pictures. So, Just Like Mama. With a whirl and a twirl across the fuzzy purple rug, she swoops down on my bed and scoops me up into a hug. Nobody wakes me up just like Mama. Half a dozen dangling braids all hanging in a row, then each one tied up tightly in a brightly colored bow. Nobody combs my hair just like Mama. A pile of apple pancakes, each one shaped into a moon, and a cocoa with a cloud of cream stirred with her special spoon. Nobody cooks breakfast just like Mama. In her funny flowered hat and her sunny yellow clogs, she pulls up weeds and waters seeds and helps me hunt for frogs. Nobody gardens just like Mama. She sets out cups and saucers for my teddy bears and me, then shows us all the proper way to pour a pot of tea. Nobody has tea parties just like Mama. A peanut butter sandwich with the crust all cut away, and a swirly straw to sip my milk, served on a silver tray. Nobody makes me lunch like my Mama. In a cozy, comfy chair on her cozy, comfy lap, I lean back to shut my eyes and take a cozy, comfy nap. Nobody snuggles just like Mama. She clasps her hands together and her arms become a loop, so I can bounce my ball 3 times and throw it through the hoop. Nobody plays ball just like Mama. In a graceful gown that glitters like a starry sky at night, she's a lion tamer teaching me to roar with all my might. Nobody plays dress up just like Mama. A mountain of spaghetti that we gobble and we slurp. And when we can't eat one more bite, we both sit back and burp. Nobody serves supper just like Mama. In a corner by the window, in our favorite rocking chair, she softly sings a lullaby while brushing out my hair. Nobody rocks me just like Mama. With kisses on my forehead and my eyelids left and right, she whispers, "Sweet dreams, sweetie pie," and then turns out the light. Nobody tucks me in just like Mama. Nobody loves me just like Mama. Nobody loves Mama just like me. So, think about things you do with your mama and ways you can show your mama you love her. Snip, snap, snap. Story time's all told out. Have a wonderful day, kindergarten. Bye.